Crack it open, let it flow. 2 fresh eggs, here we go. Vinegar splash, little salt shake. Blend it smooth, let's make. Pour